Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Device section. Now tap on device name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. Oh, so sorry, misclick. When you finished, just click on Save. And as you can see, after that, name of my OnePlus has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!